It's Tuesday, November 12th, 2024. It's 8:48 a.m. Eastern. This is a screen recording of a live trading session with my small account. I'll pause the video and I'll return when the market opens and I see a possible trade. I'm watching FOXO, third highest gainer, up 65%. Came up nice at the open, kind of chopped around, touched down to VWAP. It's working its way back up at the moment. High of day is $1.18. It's pretty much right there. It just made another new high. I'll keep a close eye on it and I'll return. I have an order in and I am in FOXO. I have 200 shares. At $1.25. And I am out. Let's go see what we've got here. All right, that was a quick $9.96, pretty much $10, 3.7% gain on that trade. I was only in this 20 seconds. So pop a quick 10 out of the market. I'll take it. Thanks a lot for hanging out, and I'll see you in the next video.